Let's find the perimeter and the area for the following figure. This trapezoid is a four-sided figure in which we have one side 10 yards, the bottom side 26 yards, the diagonal side 12.21 yards, and the final side is 19 yards. To find the perimeter, we're about to add up the four sides, and that will be the total length of this figure, and that's called the perimeter. The area of it, the material on the inside, the yellow, we'll use the formula for a trapezoid. Area equals 1/2 times h times b1 plus b2, where b1 and b2 are the two bases, and h is the height. So, to begin, our perimeter of this figure, adding up the four sides, will be 10 yards plus 26 yards plus 12.21 yards plus 19 yards. And to add this up, we'll do long addition. So 10 plus 26 plus 12.21 plus 19. Adding this up, we see that we have, if we added point zeros in every location, all these zeros plus 0.21 will add up to 0.21. 0 plus 6 is 6, plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, carry the 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. These numbers add up to 67.21, so our perimeter is 67.21, and since we're measuring the length going around this figure, that's measured in yards. Again, this represents that if we add the four sides of this trapezoid up, it would add up to a total length of 67.21 yards. So there's our first half of the problem done. Let's erase our addition and next find the area of the figure. So erasing this, our next portion is to find the area of this figure. And the formula that we'll use for a trapezoid is 1/2 h b1 plus b2. So let's at least write this so far. 1/2 h times b1 plus b2. H, if we compare our figure on the right to our figure, h represents the height of the trapezoid. That will be the 10 yards. The b1 and b2 represent the lengths of the two bases, where b1 is the top, so b1 is 19 yards, and b2 is 26 yards. So let's replace these three variables with these numbers. Our formula will become A equals 1/2 times 10 yards, 10, times b1 plus b2 becomes 19 plus 26. So, using order of operations, we'll first simplify within the parentheses, and 19 plus 26 adds up to 45. So 1/2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 45. Next, multiplying left to right, we see that we have 1/2 multiplied by 10. Half of 10 goes in 5 times. So our area now looks like the answer 5 times 45. And 5 times 45 is 225. So that means that the material on the inside of our trapezoid would measure up to 225 square yards. We write square yards because this represents area in square units, and if we were to look at individual squares of length 1 yard by 1 yard, we would have 225 squares that would fit within this trapezoid. So the area is 225 square yards, the material on the inside. So concluding, the perimeter is when we add up all the four sides, which becomes 67.21 yards, and the area, the material on the inside, would become an area of 225 square yards. And those are our answers.